Hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about how to do NDI capture and Spout on Kommander. First, set up the NDI sender. To use NDI capture, make sure that the NDI sender is already installed and running on the sending terminal. Kommander software comes with both a self-developed NDI sender and the official NDI sender. There are two ways to open the self-developed NDI sender. First, to right-click the Kommander software icon, click Open File Location, then click NDI Sender Application. After opening the NDI sender, select Screen and click Start. Or you can go to the Start menu, find NDI Sender under the software. The resolution for NDI is based on the screen resolution, and the frame rate depends on the terminal's CPU performance. If you want to use the official NDI sender, open the software, find it under Tool NDI Sender. There will be a NDI screen capture show in the bottom right corner, and you can adjust specific parameters as needed. This sender is provided by the official NDI website and supports both video and audio capture and transmission. A single computer can run multiple NDI programs to send different screens. If NDI malfunctions, check if multiple senders are mistakenly running on the capture terminal. FYI, to end the NDI sender, clicking the X button won't end it, you must right-click and exit. Next, let's set up the NDI receiver. Go to Media menu, add an NDI source and select the target device from the list. Drag the NDI screen onto the canvas, and now you'll see the captured NDI screen displayed. Kommander also supports adding an NDI virtual output. In Screen Management, add an NDI output. Add the screen. Next, add an NDI screen and select your target device. And drag the NDI screen onto the canvas. This will show the output of your device. And then the Spout. Choose Spout in Screen Management and add the Spout. Drag it to canvas, then the output is captured by Spout. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.